Can you tell me about the Tivoli Taco?
So this is like our flagship S-Class right here. So basically, we tried to make a beef patty and we couldn't nail the crust, but we had the seasoning of the Beyond Beef, nailed it. So we were like, you know what? We'll just put it on a tortilla and just leave it like that. This has the remnants of Jamaican beef patty. So we named it Tivoli after Tivoli Gardens in Kingston, Jamaica.
Are you sure this is plant-based?
I'm bringing two of my buddies to Flatbush to check out a spot that has fashion, photography, art, books, and mind-blowing plant-based bites. The best part? They're doing it all for their community.
This shirt is really good.
Yeah.
Sorry, do you know how to use it, Rob?
I love how they have a shop and it's also a restaurant here.
I'm also a sucker for any place that has nice plants.
It's like so inviting to have product, have candles, see the books.
Yeah, it's super stimulating.
The best part of the menu is this like whole saying here. Take your time eating, remembering that you are human, not a machine for producing, grinding, posting, emailing, zooming, etc. Watch your breathing, still your mind, chew your food. You are alive and you are necessary.
I need someone to read that to me every morning.
Yeah, I swear. And drinks also look good, especially this ginger cucumber juice.
That's like everything you need in the morning.
Oh, that's exactly what you need.
Yeah, this is great.
Yeah.
The first thing you kind of feel in this space is that this place has been built by the people that work and operate it.
Yeah, this is them.
Freeze! Don't sleep on me!
Why'd you guys open in Flatbush?
I was born and raised here. As soon as Nick moved from Toronto, this is where she landed.
It's a special thing, especially when you're from the Caribbean, to land in Flatbush because there's so many of those influences and you kind of feel like you're right at home.
There's a lot of Caribbean heritage and culture here, so we wanted to just bring what we know. People like make good for themselves and they export those talents, but we figured out how it does look like when we make it in. You know?
Do you still live in the neighborhood?
Yes, we do.
We're still right around the corner.
You know, so.
Why was it important for you to have the retail experience as part of the restaurant?
This space is like a combination of both of our interests. So outside of the cooking and the fashion, we love to read a lot. We've always been frequenting spaces outside of the community and just wanted some place that represented us.
So we were like, all right, cool, let's create this wonderful experience and then exit through the gift shop. That'll give you a reminiscence of, you know, awesome uncles, whether it be a t-shirt, a tote bag, a book. Like, it's cool, people come in just for that. And it's like, wait, hold on, this is a coffee shop, restaurant, wait, hold on, what's going on here? I like the discovery moments.
We're feasting. Can you tell me about the Tivoli Taco?
So this is like our flagship S-Class right here. So basically, we tried to make a beef patty and we couldn't nail the crust, but we had the seasoning of the Beyond Beef, nailed it. So we were like, you know what? We'll just put it on a tortilla and just leave it like that. This has the remnants of Jamaican beef patty. So we named it Tivoli after Tivoli Gardens in Kingston, Jamaica.
Are you sure this is plant-based?
100%.
Yes, it is.
Wow,
You like it?
that's delicious.
That is the Cryin Ryan, named after our nephew, Ryan.
Why is it called the Cryin Ryan?
You couldn't put him down. I'd be like, please hold him for 1 second just so I can rest him back. But he used to cry, and it's got that little spice and kick, so we just like Cryin Ryan.
This is good.
Oh yeah,
The
not
cauliflower?
fine, right?
Yeah.
A whole nother level.
The peanut on this is so good. I was not, I know you said it earlier, but I was not, I don't know why I wasn't expecting it like that. Wow.
If we see a teardrop, we good, you know?
Yeah.
Wildflower salad. So it's purple cauliflower, roasted with some wild rice and arugula with a raspberry vinaigrette. We chose the purple because of the color, of course. You know, it's just kind of beautiful on the plate.
This is amazing too. Hidden little secret with like rice and roasted cauliflower.
We were just trying to figure out a way to balance out the menu for the meat lovers. They could come in and like dabble a little bit, and then for the true, you know, vegetarians and vegans that don't want anything processed, you got nice, clean salads, and that way everybody could kind of bounce around the menu.
Are you vegan or vegetarian?
I can't say vegan because I still wear Jordans. You know what I mean? Food is medicine, you know, and it's good for the soul. It makes you feel good. When you're good, you can pass on those vibrations to everybody, and everybody around you feels good.
I don't want to stop eating this. I don't want to stop eating this. I don't want to stop eating this. I want to finish this whole taco right now.
Yeah, I'm very much trying to be polite.
So much of the welcoming nature that you guys have is translated not only into the space, but like into the food and the thought of everything behind it.
Definitely appreciate that. Yeah, everything is super intentional. In the Caribbean, we have beautiful food, but a lot of the restaurants are like takeouts. You don't get those moments to like sit and commune, except for if you're in your living room. So we wanted to have that perfect blend of your living room plus like a functional space.
Yeah, the color, they're still tropical, but they're soft.
Yeah.
You know, usually when you're in the Caribbean, it's super bright, but we soften the colors.
And let the people be the color and brighten up the space.
This place feels like an extension of you guys, your living room, and really it's an extension of your energy.
It's like making sure the people in the community have a voice and have a place to commune, and the people that come in are welcome both ways.
You guys have done an amazing job. The community here is very lucky to have you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.